Today we are going to checking about licensing type of licenses. In the introduction of Aruba ClearPass licensing, Aruba ClearPass is the network access control solution that uses the licensing model control. That license is a platform license, on-guard license, access license, and onboard license. What are the views of the license? Access license mandatory for any ClearPass deployment, enable core NAC functions. Access license required for mandatory for any ClearPass deployment, enables core NAC functions. What are the features about the use of the license? Where the use the access license? Access license used for the .1 authentication, if TLS or PIP, etc. MAC authentication bypass. This is a MAP authentication. Role VLAN assignment, guest network access, integration with AD, LDAP, radius, and TACAS. These type features can use of the access license. Okay. So access license use of the database authentication, map authentication, okay, guest network access, role VLAN assessment, integration with AD, LDAP, and TACAS. So access license is the base license. Access license of ClearPass is the base license. Okay. Again I repeat this one. Access license is the base license of Aruba ClearPass. Purpose mandatory for ClearPass deployment, enable core NAC functions. Features: .1 authentication, if TLS, if PIP, MAC based authentication, that is by map authentication. Role and villainous enforcement. Guest network access, integration with AD, LDAP, radius, TACAS. Okay. So that features about features that use of the access license only. Second license is on-guard license. On-guard license use of the endpoint posture assessment for security compliance. On-guard license. What is the purpose of on-guard license? Is the on-guard posture assessment for security enforcement, security compliance. What are the key features about the on-guard license? Check antivirus, firewall, OS patches, health status before granting access. Work with the grant or grant agentless mode. Block quarantine devices. So any type of posturing, endpoint health status, they require the on-guard license. Third license is onboard license. Onboard license require the Bing owned devices, the BOID device.